Hi everyone, I have a brand new cucumber salsa recipe that you are gonna love. Very simple and oh so tasty. Here are the ingredients. I've got 2 to 3 cucumbers, a bunch of cilantro, 2 to 3 limes, maybe a couple more, a serrano pepper, half of an onion, salt, and oregano. If you like garlic in your salsas, this is the time to also add 1 garlic clove. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and peel the cucumber. They can be cut into big pieces. It really doesn't matter. We're gonna add them to the blender. So big chunks is fine. Make sure you get all the green peel off because sometimes it tends to be a little tart if we leave too much skin on here. And again, cut them into big pieces. We'll add them to the blender, and so it'll be super easy to make. Here's the cucumber. We'll add the onion to the blender, the bunch of cilantro, the serrano pepper, and I'm using this type of pepper because the jalapenos lately have not been spicy and they just have too much flesh and no spice to them. So this is perfect. It's straight, hot, and it doesn't have too much flesh, so it's perfect for this recipe. And here I'm adding 1 lime, but yes, definitely you'll probably need 3 to 4 more limes for this recipe. Add everything straight to the blender. Super easy recipe. You're gonna really enjoy it. I use the salsa on anything that has to do with seafood or just plain chips. So delicious. It's tart and just, oh, it's so good. We're adding a little sprinkle of the oregano and then the salt. I use Himalayan salt, but you are welcome to use just regular table salt for this. It is the same. And we'll blend all this together. Like I said, I went back and grabbed a couple more, maybe 2 to 3 more limes, and just because I was having a little trouble with the blender, but 2 or 3 did the trick, and it's getting perfectly blended now. My mouth is watering because this salsa is so delicious. You guys are just gonna love it. You're gonna want to make it for any dish that has to do with seafood or, again, just with chips and salsa. It's super good and super tasty. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and we'll definitely see you on my next recipe. Thank you and enjoy. Bye.